This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Tuesday, 9/11. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather very calm through midweek and really for a while beyond that. Let's get in there and dig and take a look. This is the look at the Skycam network early this morning. First off, the view coming from Tuscaloosa. Notice the days getting shorter. Of course, they have been since June, 22nd in terms of the number of daylight hours. That's the Haleyville Skycam up in Winston County. The sky's clear and many spots are in the 50s again. And there's a look at traffic along Highway 280. Not too many folks out there at this insane hour. That was captured at 4:57 a.m. Ooh, look at the dry air over the east. Got ridging starting to build, but the air down below that is very comfortable. Highs will be in the 80s for the rest of this week and, quite frankly, for the foreseeable future. Oddly enough, the wettest weather in the nation is back in the southwest and the deserts, where a big upper low is tapping some tropical moisture out there. Temperatures this morning around the nation, nice and cool, 50s down into North Alabama. The warmest weather is that little sliver up through the Plain States. They saw mid-90s as far north as North Dakota yesterday. Rain for the next 5 days. Not much. Now, this is valid through Saturday evening, and this is showing barely enough to measure here. And sure enough, the models are definitely trending drier. The better rains from the Texas Hill Country up toward Chicago and Detroit. And the tropics, Tropical Storm Leslie today will be scooting by Newfoundland up around St. John's. Tropical Storm Michael is dying in the middle of nowhere, and that new system should become Tropical Storm Nadine. Still disorganized, but it's a recurver. And again, no threat to land. And the intensity guidance showing that it could ramp up to a hurricane. But again, it stays out in the middle of nowhere. This is the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. You can see 588 ridging around here. And again, we stay dry, lots of sunshine, highs in the mid-80s. Same thing tomorrow. And the same thing Thursday. This is showing maybe enough moisture for a few scattered showers on the Gulf Coast, but up this way we stay dry. Across the board, highs should be in the mid-80s. We note cooler air invading the northern states. Their 90s will fade away. This is Friday. You might mention a slight chance of a shower, but I mean slight. I don't think we'll have any issues for high school football. And there's the deal on Saturday. You got this upper low, this bowling ball looking thing up there that's centered just east of Chicago. But really down here, there's not much forcing with that. And again, we'll mention a few scattered showers on Saturday, but certainly not a rainy day. A mix of sun and clouds with mid-80s, and Sunday, chances even smaller. I mean, just a slight chance on Sunday. And pretty much the same deal Monday of next week. Any showers isolated, and Tuesday, the deeper moisture, again, just displaced in all directions, but not here. So a really calm, benign pattern for the next 7 days here. But, ooh, look at the end of the forecast on the 27th. Wouldn't it be nice if this actually happened for the cool weather fans? That would push the first really good cold front of the season through here. There's the surface chart. Look at the thickness values dropping. Look at the snow for places like Cleveland and Erie and Pittsburgh and Buffalo. And there's a better look at the temperature scheme there at the end of the forecast. And that would easily get us down in the 40s. And that's looking at 20s up there over Minnesota and Wisconsin. That looks more like winter for much of the nation. But, hey, you know what this is. It's all in the land of voodoo, which means that might just vanish on the next run, but it's fun to watch. And we'll get one of those at some point. I just don't know if that's the right time or not. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you can, watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.